Hey, welcome to Teleku video. This is episode 7. I'm going to show you how to do an outbound dial. A lot of people have been asking about it. So with Teleku, it's pretty simple. It's just a URL. You dial a number, point it at an extension, create an extension that does whatever you want it to do. So in this case, we'll do a transfer, and let me show you how it works. So we're going to build this in Ruby with Sinatra. So let's go ahead and make a directory. We're going to call it Teleku dial. CD into there. We're going to make app.rb. We're going to require, let me make that a little larger for you to see. Require Ruby gems. We're going to require Sinatra. We're going to require REST client so we can do some gets and some posts to initiate the dial, and we're going to require builder, which is a real fast, easy XML builder. So remember, you can do get, we'll say the root, do. Inside of here, we're going to say enter a number to dial. We're going to create a form action. We'll have the action just call our Sinatra application with a dial path. We're going to say input type equals text and name equals number. We'll leave off the submit. We'll just do a close form. That should be it for there. So then we'll do a get dial, put the slash there, do. Now this is where we're going to make the REST call. So it's REST client dot. We're going to use method get, and inside of parentheses, this is all documented inside of teleku.com/outbound. We're going to call teleku.com/dial/ the number, which is our params here, right here, that we're collecting from this form, plus the name of the extension, which we need to go out and get real quick. We're going to create an extension as a placeholder. Create an extension. I was kind of messing with this earlier. Let's see. Dial, outbound dial, transfer. So we don't have a URL yet to give it. Okay, but this is extension 37, remember that. /37. If you wanted to pass it a caller ID, you can do that here. This is totally optional. It looks like a phone number. Okay, so now we're going to do, this is what we're going to do when the call comes in from the transfer. We're going to do a post, do, and we're going to execute our builder to help build an XML PhoneML response. We'll say do, and we'll use XML as our instance. We'll do an XML.instruct. We'll do an outside PhoneML. Remember, we don't care if it's case sensitive at all. Some languages care, we don't. XML dot, we could say speak if we want. Teleku at your service. How about that? And this one is the transfer tag, transfer, and I'm going to use my Google Voice number, which I have routed to Gizmo, my SIP client, 3425. That should do it. Everything looks good there. Maybe we should test it. Ruby app.rb. It looks like it fires up, so we'll say localhost port 4567. That's Sinatra. It looks like it's running. Okay. So let's go ahead and kill that. Let's do a, oh, we need to create the config.ru file for rack. Here we say require app, and we say Sinatra app, run Sinatra application. That's it. So now we're going to git init. Okay, so that's cool. So then we're going to do a git add everything in the directory to it, and we'll commit it. Put a message initial commit. Okay, and now let's have Heroku generate us a app name. Sharp miss 76. How about that? Okay, so then we're going to do a git push Heroku master. That's going to push everything up there. While that's loading, we need to go back and tell Teleku what the URL is going to be when we call extension 37. We're going to need to give it that. So that'll be a post. Okay. Wow, is it really that easy? Okay, so we're going to come back up to here. We're going to go to, okay, so now this is all up running on Heroku. Yep, everything's up there. So here, I'm going to call, what am I going to call? I'm going to call my home office, and that's going to call Teleku extension 37, remember? And extension 37 is going to execute the transfer logic that we just did to call my Google Voice number that's going to route to Gizmo. Okay, I think we got it all. So let's hit enter here. See if the whole app is up there running. There's my home office call. Hello? Hello? Oh. Okay, we got a timeout. What's going on with the timeout? Hello? I think it tries like 4 or 5 times. I think what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to rerun. Hello?
Teleku at your service, transferring call.
Oh, you know what? It took a little while to load. That's Google Voice.
Hello. Please state your name after the tone. Google Voice will try to reach.
Chris Matthieu.
Hi, this is a Teleku test call.
Call from.
This is a Teleku test.
To accept, press 1. To send a voicemail, press 2.
All right. Woo, we're in this endless loop.
The old party has hung up.
That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to post this code to the blog post and also to the outbound examples. So that's pretty much it. I'll talk to you next time.